How long do you have to file a birth injury lawsuit on behalf of your child? Hi, I'm Frank Spector, birth injury lawyer in Maryland and in DC for over 30 years. And this question has come up about 5 or 6 times in the last couple of weeks. And so I thought it would be important for me to explain how long you have to bring a birth injury lawsuit on behalf of your child. Because what I realized is that there's a lot of misinformation out there. So let's talk about the deadlines that are applicable in Maryland and DC. The legal term for a deadline is called the statute of limitations, and each state is different. Every state has different rules and different deadlines. And what I also realized was there's a lot of misinformation out there on the web because every state is different. So let's set the record straight. In Maryland and in DC, we are fortunate because we have very generous statutes of limitations. You can bring a lawsuit on behalf of your child up until that child is age 21. Most states don't have that generous statute of limitations, but in Maryland and DC, we do. So why is this important? It's important because I don't want parents out there thinking, well, my child is 5 years old or 10 years old or even 12 years old or even deeper into teenage years, and to think, well, I shouldn't call a lawyer because the statute of limitations must have already expired, must have already run out. And sometimes they get information from other lawyers and they tell them the wrong thing because if you don't practice in this area of law, you may not know that you have until age 21. So what I'm asking parents to do is to be aware that you have very generous deadlines, and that if your child is 5 years old or 10 years old, or even if your child is a teenager, pick up the phone, give me a call, and let's talk about what happened to your child. It's really important that I have the opportunity to speak with you, and I don't want you to think that since your child may be older, that the statute of limitations has expired, because that's just not true. Again, I'm Frank Spector. My contact information will appear at the end of this video, and I look forward to speaking with you.